going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. I am Brody.
And I'm Billy.
And we basically wanted to make a video just kind of saying that we are back. I know we haven't posted in a while. I was very busy over the holidays going to Texas and all that.
And I had family visiting from Vegas.
So we didn't get a whole lot of content made, but we are back for 2020 and we have a lot of big things to come.
Big things.
Yeah, definitely. So we have stuff coming on the FJ, the Porsche, the Raptor, possibly new builds. And we have a lot of new different content that we haven't done before.
We're going to try some challenge videos at you guys' suggestions.
Yeah, so basically we're going to try to do things like Billy versus me, kind of stuff like that. And then we are going to have a lot of content coming out soon, just kind of talking about what Billy's plans for the Porsche are, as well as what my plans are for the FJ and the Raptor coming in 2020. And it's just going to be a video or multiple videos basically talking about what we have coming up soon. So anything else?
Just stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a crazy year.
Yeah, stay tuned and like and subscribe to that channel.
Thanks guys.